Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Yaris infotainment capability so you know whether to use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Bluetooth mapping. Once done, make sure Google Maps is updated and location is enabled. This ensures real-time navigation and traffic. Plug a good USB cable into the car or open Bluetooth pairing on both devices. This initial connection exchanges permissions and audio routing. These first steps set the system's voice, screen mirroring, and data permissions, so priority 1 is a stable physical or wireless link. Next, you complete the pairing and app authorization so navigation runs smoothly. This is the detailed middle. On the car display, accept permission dialogues for contacts and notifications so directions and messages appear correctly. If using Android, launch Android Auto and choose Google Maps. On iPhone, verify CarPlay is enabled in settings and the app appears on the head unit. Also set Google Maps voice output to the car speakers so turn-by-turn cues play through the stereo. This prevents missed prompts while driving. Finally, you validate the connection with a short test route and confirm map display, voice prompts, and rerouting work correctly. If audio is missing, check both phone and car volumes, ensure Bluetooth media is selected, and verify the head unit's input is set to CarPlay or Android Auto. If the map freezes, restart the phone and infotainment, toggle Bluetooth or reconnect the USB cable, and reinstall Google Maps as a last software step. Then, if problems persist, contact your dealer for firmware updates or diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.